Welcome back to The Old Man That Doesn't Know Anything. Today, we're tackling a big milestone in life, buying your first home. It's a daunting task, but don't worry. I'm here to help you navigate this journey step by step with confidence. Let's dive right in. The first step is to assess your financial situation. Buying a home is a significant financial commitment, so you need to be sure you're ready. First, review your credit score. Check your credit score and credit report. A higher credit score can get you better mortgage rates. If your score needs improvement, take steps to boost it before applying for a mortgage. Second, save for a down payment. Ideally, aim for a 20% down payment to avoid private mortgage insurance, or PMI. However, there are programs that allow for lower down payments if you qualify. Third, budget for additional costs. Remember, the down payment isn't the only upfront cost. Factor in closing costs, which can be 2 to 5% of the loan amount, and moving expenses. Next up, getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This step shows sellers that you're a serious buyer and gives you a clear idea of your budget. First, gather financial documents. Lenders will need documents like tax returns, pay stubs, bank statements, and proof of assets. Second, choose a lender. Shop around for lenders to find the best interest rates and terms. Don't just go with the first one you find. Third, get pre-approval. Submit your documents to the lender, and they'll give you a pre-approval letter stating how much you're qualified to borrow. Now that you know your budget, it's time to find a real estate agent who understands your needs and preferences. First, research and interview agents. Look for agents with good reviews and local expertise. Interview a few to find one you're comfortable with. Second, discuss your needs. Be clear about what you're looking for, your must-haves, deal breakers, and preferred neighborhoods. House hunting can be the most exciting part, but it's important to stay focused and realistic. Make a list of priorities. Identify your top priorities, such as location, size, and amenities. This will help you stay on track during your search. Attend open houses and showings. Visit as many homes as possible to get a feel for what's out there. Take notes and pictures to remember each one. Stay patient and open-minded. It might take some time to find the perfect home. Be open to adjusting your criteria as you explore different options. When you found the right home, it's time to make an offer. This is where your real estate agent's expertise is invaluable. First, determine your offer price. Consider the home's value, how long it's been on the market, and your budget. Next, submit your offer. Your agent will help you draft and submit a competitive offer. And finally, negotiate. Be prepared for counteroffers and negotiations. Stay within your budget and don't get too emotionally attached until the deal is closed. Once your offer is accepted, you'll need to have the home inspected and appraised. Schedule a home inspection by hiring a professional inspector to check the home's condition. This step can reveal potential issues that might need addressing before closing. Then, the appraisal. The lender will order an appraisal to ensure the home's value matches the loan amount. You're almost there. The final step is closing the deal. First, review all the closing documents carefully. Don't hesitate to ask questions if something isn't clear. Next, do a final walkthrough of the home to ensure it's in the agreed-upon condition. And then, closing day. On closing day, sign the necessary documents, pay your closing costs, and get the keys to your new home. Congratulations, you're now a homeowner. Remember, buying a home is a big step, but with the right preparation and guidance, you can navigate the process confidently. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to The Old Man That Doesn't Know Anything. See you next time.